Okay, today we're going to work on lesson 3.5, Model with Arrays. Many people grow tomatoes in their gardens. Lee plants 3 rows of tomato plants with 6 plants in each row. How many tomato plants are there? You make an array by placing the same number of tiles in each row. Make an array with 3 rows and 6 tiles to show the tomato plants. Now draw the array that you made. So we're going to draw 3 rows. Okay, so rows are the number that is straight down. Okay, so I have 3. How many needs to be in each row? 6. Look, you already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now fill in the rest of your array. When you make your array, you want to try as hard as possible to keep them in nice, neat rows and columns because it's easier to count that way. So find the total number of tiles. So number 3, that's the number of rows. 6 is the number in each row. So there are how many tomato plants? You have a couple options here. You can do 6 times 3, or you can simply count every one of them, okay? So 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so there are 18 tomato plants. Okay, let's flip it. Does the number of tiles change if you turn the array to show 6 rows of 3? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Still 18? Yes. So no, it does not change if you flip it. Use 8 tiles. Make as many different arrays as you can using all 8 tiles. Draw the arrays. The first one is done for you. So we have 1 row of 8. Okay. So the next thing we could do would be 8 rows of 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 times 1 is 8. Now let's flip it. Let's do 2. 2 rows. Okay, so 2 rows. Now we have to make 8 though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, well, I have 2 rows. How many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 rows of 4, so that means 2 times 4 equals 8. Now let's flip it. Let's do 4. 4 rows of 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still equals 8. So 4 times 2 equals 8. You can make 1, 2, 3, 4 different arrays using 8 tiles. Okay, so now we are going to complete the arrays. So how many rows? 1, 2. We have 2 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 2 rows of 10. Let's count by tens. 10, 20. Okay, so 2 times 10 is 20. Now we're going to write our multiplication sentence for the array. Okay, remember your first factor is the number of rows. So 1, 2, 3. 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6, we've used this one a lot, is 18. We have 2 rows times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So you can count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Let's do just a couple more together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 times the number in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 5. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, 1, 2, 3 times 2 equals 2, 4, 6. Okay, now look, they gave us the multiplication sentence and we have to give them the array. So remember, the first factor is the number of rows. So I have 1, 2, and 3. How many are in each? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now fill in the rest of your array. Again, try as hard as possible to keep them in nice, even columns. Makes it easier to count, okay? So we have 6, 12, 18. Let's do one more, okay? So my first factor is 4, so I'm going to make 4 rows. Of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double check yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. You can also do this in different ways. The main thing is to get these rows set up, then you can fill it in however is easiest. If it's easier for you to go row by row, that is fine. If it's easier for you to go column by column, that's also fine. However you like to do it best. Okay, 7, 14, 21, 28.